Status update. It is day 3 in Mexico with these boys.
Hey. Our second day of scuba diving. Driving right now to Playa del Carmen to meet up with our transportation. Get in a truck, go to a ferry, get on a van, get on another boat, and then I think we'll be in the water. So it's going to be a long day of traveling. Tim, tell them what you did this morning.
Well, I was making breakfast, and the stove had a glass top that I thought was supposed to stay on the stove.
But it wasn't supposed to.
Definitely was not. It shattered everywhere, and then I played walking on coal to safety. Got my feet burned a little bit, got a little bit of a cut. Hopefully that doesn't affect me in the salt water too much. Nobody got hurt, just me.
All right, just his ego kind of took a toll, but we're not gonna let it get our day down. It's still gonna be a great snorkel-borking trip. So I'm excited for it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So we just got to the boat on Cozumel where we'll be scuba diving. Had a good boat trip, good car ride, good taxi ride. It's been a while. Now we're gonna get on the boat and head out. So we're out here. We are on a boat right next to Cozumel. It's been, I don't know, a few hours probably since we started traveling this morning. I think it's about 10:30. We left at about 6:30 this morning, so we've already been traveling for 4 hours. So it looks like an amazing trip so far. The water is much bluer and much clearer than yesterday, so we're really looking forward to it. Brought both GoPros, so I'll take those out and make it happen. Okay, so a little update. We are back at the Airbnb now. Gonna head out and get some burgers. Spent all day scuba diving. Got a nice sunburn, but had a good time and got back. Took us a while to get back. It took us a while to get there and a while to get back, but it was incredible. It was amazing, and just being in that water was fantastic. And I think I got some excellent GoPro videos. I haven't watched them yet. I haven't edited yet, but what's up? No, come on out, man. Come on out. Yeah, I'm gonna watch them later on and see how they turned out. But right now we're gonna go get some burgers, go out to downtown Puerto Morelos. I did have tickets to Cirque du Soleil, but I only have 2, and there's 3 of us, so I don't think it's gonna work out. So we're just gonna head out, call it a night, get some food, and hopefully come back early and go to sleep because I'm exhausted. So just waiting for Tim now, see how it goes.